Here at Classic Accessories, Fidelis is installing new fiber, new infrastructure everywhere at their new building so that they can update all their network technologies. We've improved to gigabit speeds, installed new switches and routers, brought over their network from their old location.
Fidelis is doing a little bit of everything here. We're doing from anything in the warehouse with paging, with access points for their forklifts when they drive around so they can make their picks wirelessly, which is kind of cool. We're doing all their IT work here. We move them. We basically ran all the Cat 6 inside. We do a little bit of everything for them, so it's been a fun project.
So we have about 17 miles of cable that we ran in this building, including fiber optic and your Cat 6 cabling. So all the phones, all the jacks for all the furniture and access points for wireless, all that stuff we've run. We've got about 500 man hours into the job already, and the weekend's still not over. So we've probably got another 100 hours or so of time to get everything up and running again for them to start work on Monday.
So we've had 3 separate teams usually work on this type of project. We have our project coordinators start the planning and processing. Then we have our cable group come in and do the actual cabling and putting in the infrastructure. We have our network group that comes in and actually moves the network equipment.
Basically just the warehouse alone, there's a lot of fiber optics out here that we've ran out to different IDFs so that those wires can have the high-speed rates for all the forklifts and that type of stuff. There's shipping stations out here that we've wired up. There's all the horns out here. I mean, total within the whole building, there's like 17 miles of cable, so there's a lot of cable runs.
We love working with customers who embrace technology and who use technology as a way to grow their business. Classic Accessories, they really have a good team internally. They have their own IT staff, and we're an extension of that. So we're able to help them to, stay lean and mean while we provide the extra help, when they have big projects like this.